back to my friend's workshop. Why waste gas is the question we asked in our previous videos when we introduced our new Integra E2 cylinder. The videos discussed leak detection and flow control, all with the objective to ensure you stop wasting gas. In this video, we will explain you the surge protection functionality, which is one of the 4 ways to save well-processed gas, which makes the cylinder last longer. So why have we chosen to discuss surge protection, and what is it? This is where we experience an excessive flow at the start of your weld. This is also called a pre-weld surge. Pre-weld surge and pressure build-up in the gas supply hose is beyond the control of even the most experienced welder and is highly wasteful of gas. Together with leaks and excessive flows, pre-weld surge contribute to significant gas waste, higher weld costs, and can affect weld quality. By eliminating pre-weld surge, the Integra E2 cylinder can reduce well-processed gas consumption by 25% or more. This depends, of course, on the application, your hose type and its length. You can hear the surge at the start of every weld when you pull the trigger. Let me demonstrate this and you recognize the effect immediately.